The recipe we're going to make today is taco salad. Wash your hands, tie back your hair, put on your apron, and then gather your ingredients and equipment. For this recipe, you're going to need the following: 125 mils of lean ground beef, 1 clove of garlic, crushed or minced, 100 mils of red kidney beans, drained, 60 mils of frozen kernel corn, and 60 mils of salsa. You're also going to need 5 mils of chili powder, approximately a half head of romaine lettuce. You'll want to wash this and rip it up into bite-sized pieces, half a tomato chopped up, a quarter of a green pepper diced. As well, you'll need 60 mils of cheddar cheese, which will be grated, 1 green onion, 25 mils of water, 2 tortilla shells, and approximately 5 mils of vegetable oil. To begin this recipe, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius. This recipe will make 2 taco salads, so you will take 2 tortilla shells and you will brush them with your small amount of water, your 25 mils of water, using a pastry brush. Just lightly coat one side of the tortilla shells. After you finish coating both tortilla shells with water, next you'll wipe approximately 5 mils of oil into the bottom of a small metal bowl. Then you'll press your tortilla shell into the bowl, making sure that the coated side of the tortilla shell is up. Then place a small ball of tin foil loosely into the center of each tortilla cup. This will help hold the shape of the tortilla bowl while it is baking. Place the tortilla shells in the bowls into the oven and bake for about 9 minutes until the tortilla cup is lightly browned. You will do this for both shells. Next, you will cook your ground beef and garlic over medium temperature until your beef is browned. If there's any extra fat, make sure you drain this off into a tin or into a small metal bowl. Stir in your kidney beans, your corn, and your salsa and your chili powder, and bring this to a boil. Then you will reduce it and let it simmer for 10 minutes covered. As it cooks, make sure you stir it frequently to avoid it from burning to the bottom. Once again, this should be over low heat and you should have it covered. If it dries up a little bit and you lose a lot of the moisture, which can happen, just add a bit of extra water to it, about 25 mils at a time. Next, you'll prepare your vegetables. This will include chopping up your tomatoes, grating your cheese, chopping up your green pepper and your green onion. You'll also need to prepare your lettuce, which means washing it and drying each leaf, and then ripping it into bite-sized pieces. You could cut your lettuce with a knife. The problem with this, though, is oxidization takes place wherever the blade of the knife cuts through the lettuce, causing the edges to go brown. So it is better if you rip it. Combine in a medium bowl your lettuce, tomatoes, green peppers, cheese, and green onions. You are now ready to assemble your salad. Divide the lettuce mixture in half and place in each tortilla cup. Top each half with beef mixture. If you would like, you can garnish this with about 25 mils of sour cream. You are now ready to sit back and enjoy your salad. In addition to making this salad, a focus should be on the presentation. So do a really good job at plating it and placing your sour cream in the center so that it's very, very pleasant to look at. Make sure that you get your evaluation done by your adult as well as your self-evaluation. Enjoy the salad.